Good day, sir. I'm Kian Harvey Lozano. Here's the demonstration on how to add domain users. So first, you need to click Tools and then click this one and then click the arrow button beside your domain name and then click Users and right click here and then click New, then User, and then you need to fill out this form, the first name, last name, and the initial. So here's my username, and then you must also input the user logon name. So in my case, I just use the first name of the user that I added. And then after that, click next and make a password of your user. After that, you need to check this one and then click next and then finish. So as you can see, I have already added a new user. So repeat the procedure on how to add a new user. So I made 5 users in my computer. So after that, you need to check if the 5 users are here. So the 5 users are complete. So that's the procedure on how to add new domain users. That's all. Thank you.